Hello everyone. Today we're just going to have some fun, just playing around. There was a comment on one of our YouTube videos that the guy didn't think the little Kubota had very much power, so we're going to give her a little test today just for fun. I'm going to put her up against a 1973 Dodge van, see who comes out ahead. If this little bugger starts. I'm sure it will. No problem. This is better than a lift in the shop. The guy can get under there and work, no problem. This got plenty of power. I ain't even got it wound up. Now we're gonna see how it does with the Chevy Avalanche. Come out very well there. Uh-oh, don't look like the little Avalanche did too good. That Kill Dozer, there's no match for it. There's the front bumper clear over here. Does the hood still open? Oh yeah. Might have to run over it again. look like the apple and zucchini stood up too good. Now we can make some zucchini bread. Good way to process some zucchini. Get the seeds out. Make some apple pie. That little Avalanche, the grill's still in it after all that. Well, the birds will have fun picking on that zucchini. The deer. Now I gotta clean up that Avalanche, put it in the dumpster. Anyway, thank you guys all for stopping in. Hope you enjoyed that. Kind of fun. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more goofiness, and we'll be trying to make some more videos here soon. Thanks for stopping by. No problem. This is better than a lift in the shop. You guys can get under there and work, no problem. It's got plenty of power, ain't even got it wound up.